everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add subscriber in ConvertKit on FlexiFunnels sale and add data in Google Sheets. So let's suppose I'm running a business and using FlexiFunnels for my sale. Now I want whenever a new sale happens, a subscriber should be created in ConvertKit and all these details should be added in my Google Sheets. So I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between FlexiFunnels, ConvertKit and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take FlexiFunnels where I will make this new sale, and in my action application I will take ConvertKit where the subscriber will be created as soon as the new sale will happen, and in my action application I will take Google Sheets where these details will be added automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create ConvertKit subscribers on FlexiFunnels sale and then add these details in Google Sheets. For this, we are going to create automation between FlexiFunnels, ConvertKit and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to name this workflow and then select the folder in which I want to save it. So first let's name my workflow as how to add subscriber in ConvertKit on FlexiFunnels sale and add data in Google Sheets. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select Google Sheets automations and click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add subscriber in ConvertKit on every FlexiFunnels sale, which means whenever a sale will happen in FlexiFunnels, a subscriber will be created in ConvertKit, which means whenever a sale will happen in FlexiFunnels, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take FlexiFunnels. And then in my trigger event, I will take new form submission. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and FlexiFunnels, for which a webhook URL is provided to me, and this URL will act as a bridge to connect my FlexiFunnels with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection, and to make this connection, let me take you to my FlexiFunnels account. So this is my FlexiFunnels account, and on the top I can see all the options. Here I need to open this products. And then I want to make connection with this web camera, so I'll open this. And on the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I need to click on the set rules. And then I have to click on the set product rules. Over here I can see this box that has appeared in front of me, where I need to search for when the product is purchased or when the cart is abandoned. So from here, when the product is purchased, I want to run this automation. So from over here, I will select this as the product is purchased, and over here I will select this as for all pricing options. Now in the use section, I want to select this as webhook, and over here I need to enter the name of the webhook. So let's say new test is the name of the webhook, and in the webhook URL I need to enter the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL and simply paste that over here. Now I have to click on the save. So I have successfully added this new webhook URL. Now I need to go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it's written, now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission or do a test purchase so that I can get a webhook response over here. So for that, I will open my sales product page. So this is the web camera. Let's suppose this is the web camera that I want to buy. So for that, I will click on this buy now. And now I'm going to enter all these dummy details in these fields. So let's say my first name is latest. My last name is user. My email address is latest444@pabblytudes.com. My phone number is, then my address is Old Street, my city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, and country is India. Now I simply have to enter some dummy card details. So I'll enter my card details and then I'll enter the zip code. Now I simply have to click on this complete order. So after entering all the details and card details, I have made this purchase. Thank you for your purchase. Your order was successful. Now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether it has captured this response there or not. And here I can see I have instantly captured the response. The product name was web camera. The price is 500. Phone number is this. I have received the order ID. Then the last name is user. First name is latest. Email address is latest444@pabblytudes.com, and over here I have also received the address details. This means FlexiFunnels is connected with Pabbly Connect, and whenever a new sale will happen, all the details will reach Pabbly Connect. Now in my next step, in my action step, I want that whenever a sale happens, a subscriber is created in ConvertKit. So here in my action application, I will take ConvertKit. And then in my action event, I will take tag a subscriber. Now I have to click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, you have to click on this add new connection. And to make this connection, we have to first enter the API key and then the API secret. So it's written, you can find the above keys by logging to your ConvertKit account. After login, go to your account settings. So let's open this hyperlink given over here. And then if I scroll down, I will be able to find this developer option on the left hand side. And then over here, I can see my API key and the API secret. So I simply have to copy this and paste that over here. And then copy my API secret and then paste that over here. Now after entering these two details, I have to click on this save. And ConvertKit is connected with Pabbly Connect. So over here I need to enter my tag ID and all the other details. So to enter this tag ID, let me take you to my ConvertKit account. So this is my ConvertKit account, and on the top I can see all the options. Here I need to click on this grow and then click on this subscribers. Now if I scroll down, on the right hand side I can see these tags that I have created. One is FlexiFunnels, the other is Pab tag. And if you want to create a new tag, you can simply click on this create a tag. So I want to add all my subscribers in this FlexiFunnels tag. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this drop down, I will select my tag ID as FlexiFunnels, and then I have to enter all these details. So the first one is email, and to enter this, I'm going to use a process called mapping, which means I'm going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response in my FlexiFunnels, so I will click on this FlexiFunnels and enter the email that I have received in response, which is latest444@pabblytudes.com. Then I need to click on this first name, follow the same process and enter my first name as latest and then my last name as user. Now I have to enter my phone number, which is this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here in these fields, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, I use this process mapping. Now after entering all the details, we simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here we can see we have received the response with the subscription ID, subscription state which is active, and all the other details, the first name, the last name, phone number, and so on. So now I need to open my ConvertKit and check whether this subscriber has been created under the same tag there or not. So let's open my ConvertKit and let's refresh this page once. Here I can see I have created this subscriber latest. Now let's open it. Here I can see the email address which was latest444@pabblytudes.com. First name was latest, last name was user, mobile number was this, and the tag was FlexiFunnels. So this means our automation is working perfectly fine. Now in my next action step, I want that all these details should be added in my Google Sheets. So here in my next action application, I will choose my application as Google Sheets. And then in my action event, I will select add new row. Now I have to click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and then you have to sign in with Google and then give away all the permission because your data is safe with Pabbly Connect. Here I have already an existing connection, that's why I'm going with this option and then click on this save. So Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So first I have to select the spreadsheet. So to enter this, let me take you to my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets by the name FlexiFunnels, and I have maintained these fields which has first name, last name, email and phone. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from over here select my spreadsheet as FlexiFunnels. And then it has automatically detected the sheet number, which is sheet number 1, and then all the fields that are there in my spreadsheet, which is first name, last name, email and phone. And now I have to enter all these. So to enter this, I am going to use the same process mapping and enter all these details. First name is latest, last name is user, email address is latest444@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. So over here I have entered all these details. Now I simply have to click on this save and send test request. So here I have received the response. Now I need to open my Google Sheets and check whether these details have been added there or not. And here I can see I have received the response. The first name is latest, last name is user, email address is latest444@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this. Now, so as to check whether this automation is working perfectly fine or not, let's open my product sale page again and make a test purchase again. For that, I have to click on this buy now. And let's say this time my first name is Smart, my last name is user, my email address is smart565@pabblytudes.com, my phone number is, my address is New Street, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, country is India. I will enter some dummy card details and then I have to click on this complete order. So I have made this purchase. Now I have to see whether a subscriber is created under the same tag and all these details are added in my Google Sheets or not. So let's open my ConvertKit, refresh the page once, and here I can see a subscriber has been created. The name is Smart User, email address is smart565@pabblytudes.com, phone number is this, and the tag is FlexiFunnels. Now I need to open my Google Sheets, and here I can see I have added the Smart User in my Google Sheets. The email address was smart565@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number was this. Now, so as to summarize, we took FlexiFunnels as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this webhook URL. We did a test purchase and received the response over here, after which we took our action application as ConvertKit, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the tag under which we want to create the subscriber, Enter all these details and simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request. Then in my action application, I took Google Sheets where I made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details. Simply clicked on Save and Send Test Request and received the response as these details been added in my Google Sheets. So we have successfully created automation between FlexiFunnels, ConvertKit and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.